Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Fluency Builder. Thank you for being here today. Take a deep breath, relax, and just listen carefully. Today's story is not about success, not about failure. It's just about a normal day. So welcome to Storytelling Episode 16. Today's story is called A Simple Morning That Changed Nothing, Yet Everything. Let's begin. It was 6:30 in the morning. The alarm rang. James opened his eyes slowly, looked at his phone, and pressed snooze. 5 more minutes. That's what he always said. 5 minutes became 10. 10 became 20. Finally, he woke up at 7:15. He sat on his bed, feeling slightly tired. Same routine, same morning, nothing new. He picked up his phone and started scrolling. Messages, videos, random posts. 10 minutes passed without him even noticing. Then suddenly, he stopped. He looked at the time. 7:25. He sighed. Why do I do this every day? He said softly. He stood up slowly, walked to the bathroom, and got ready. No rush, no energy, just routine. In the kitchen, he made his coffee. Hot, simple, quiet. He stood there, holding the cup, staring out the window. People were walking outside, cars moving, life already in motion. James took a sip, and for a moment, he didn't think about work. He didn't check his phone. He just stood there, in silence. Then something small happened. Nothing big, nothing dramatic. He didn't get a new job. He didn't change his life. He just did one thing differently. He sat down, with his coffee, and opened a notebook. A plain notebook. He hadn't used it in weeks. He picked up a pen and wrote one sentence. Today, I just want to feel a little better. That's it. No big plan, no big goal, just one simple thought. After that, he got ready for work. Same clothes, same bag, same road. He walked to the bus stop. Same place, same people, but something felt slightly different. Not outside. Inside. At work, nothing special happened. Emails, meetings, tasks, everything normal. But James noticed something. He wasn't rushing. He wasn't overthinking. He was just doing one thing at a time. During lunch, instead of scrolling, he just sat quietly. Eating, looking around, breathing, present. In the evening, he came back home. Same tired feeling, but not as heavy as before. He placed his bag down, sat on his bed, and looked at his notebook again. He opened it. That one sentence was still there. Today, I just want to feel a little better. He smiled slightly, because somehow he did. Not a big change, not a perfect day, but a better one, and maybe that's enough. Not every day needs to be amazing. Not every day needs big achievements. Sometimes, just feeling a little better is progress. So tomorrow morning, when your alarm rings and your day begins, you don't have to change everything. Just start with something small. One thought, one moment, one simple intention, because sometimes, a simple day can quietly change everything. Thank you for listening to Storytelling Episode 16 on English Fluency Builder. If you find this storytelling useful, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell button and continue learning English with us. I will see you in the next episode.